Subcomponents hierarchy for Jira Cloud. Jira components are a flat list. No nesting, no reporting across levels. Subcomponents turns that flat list into an organized hierarchy. Here's how. It starts on the issue. Pick the right component from a hierarchy tree instead of a flat list, with search and bulk select built in. Under that picker sits enterprise-grade granularity. Track releases at the component level with a status per version. Bundle fix versions into a package and ship a release as one unit. Add custom properties to components and to versions. Once components are nested, reporting rolls up the whole tree. Find every issue under a component and its children, open the branch in the Issue Navigator, and roll it up with custom JQL functions, all over the REST API. Need more? The Advanced Edition extends everything. Reuse one component across projects, save a hierarchy as a template, coordinate releases across projects, and bring the same hierarchy to fix versions. It's enterprise-ready and compliance-friendly. SOC 2, Type 2 certified, and running on Atlassian, so your data stays within Atlassian and residency compliant. So how's it different versus flat components, roadmap apps, or release tools? Here you get hierarchy, packages, properties, and JQL on the issue and in your data, no exports. Now let's go capability by capability, starting with hierarchy management. Build flat components into a multi-level tree, create and edit them inline, group in folders, do the same for fixed versions in the Advanced Edition, and manage versions and dates right in the grid. Release and packages for when one release spans many versions. Track releases per component, group versions into a package to ship as one, and release or archive them without leaving the tab. Then the fields and pickers you touch daily. Pick components from the hierarchy on any issue, auto-select parents, siblings, and children, pick versions filtered by the issue's components, or straight from the version tree in Advanced. Jira components and versions hold no custom fields, so add your own. Properties for components and for versions as text, number, date, user, or list, managed through reusable schemas per project. Then turn it all into search. List every issue in a component branch or a version branch in Advanced with dedicated JQL functions for the whole tree. Finally, sharing and administration. Put any hierarchy on a dashboard, export and import it between projects or instances, enable each capability per project, and delegate with custom permissions. And it's all automatable through a public REST API. That's Subcomponents, hierarchy, packages, and properties for Jira components and versions. Try it on the marketplace or book a demo.